Okay, so Ryan Gaming here with another unboxing. Got back from a midnight sale. Saints Row 4. $100. So let me just open this thing back up. And see what's inside. If I can. Okay, I think I know what I'm doing. No, that's not it. Okay. Sorry. Got this. Try not to ruin the box. I wonder if there's... No, okay. So, should be fine. Sorry. There we go. Okay. So, what we got inside here is... Oh crap, I don't know what's going on. Give me a second, sorry about this. Trying not to ruin anything. Okay. So, got the game, which... Okay. Oh, things just snapped off. Well, it's an easier way to get it out. Got the dubstep gun. The dubstep doomsday button with something. I don't see what okay, there we go. I have no idea what this is. Oh, okay. So it fits inside the thing right there. And I have no idea. What the heck? Is it turned on? Okay. Let me pull that out. Maybe it'll play now. Oh, sorry. That's really cool. Okay, sorry, I just want to get through this and get to the game. Anyways, but yeah, this is a keychain. Also a key for this button. Then we've got here this nice Johnny Gat Memorial statue. Right there. It's very nice. And then the dubstep doomsday, the dubstep gun. It's really nice. There's batteries involved. Once I get a chance to unscrew this, I'll do a test video of it or whatever. So, anyways, it just got released, like, today. So, it's normally $60, but got it for $100. Anyways, so, anyways, don't forget to leave a like, a favorite, subscribe. From Ryan Gaming. Peace off.